And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 216. Let me show the upper and lower arc. So you can also target a specific side of your objects. In this case, for example, the lower arc to the bottom. With the bend, you can also invert this arc. And via vertical, you can flip that to the right-hand side. If you want to have it on the left or on the top, then simply switch to arc upper. Once again, we've got the distortion. In this case, I want to keep it to 0. And once more, this also works on text. So if I wanted to, for example, have an upper arc, just make sure that it's set to horizontal and then go up with the bend, maybe to like 40–50%. Make sure that the distortion is at 0, and then you've got this arc on one side. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.